Hello, Paul Myers here.
And Denise Myers here on the camera.
Road Warrior Investors.
Yes, we are.
Special treat today. Lewiston Idaho. Coming back actually from Boise. Go up to Coeur d'Alene, and our buyer actually purchased this house. And we're actually closing on this next week.
Yep.
The first time we've seen the house. So sometimes I know we'll script things maybe. This time we have not. I have never been in this house. I've seen pictures, of course, when we bought it. That kind of approved the purchase. Like I said, we don't close yet, so the owners graciously allowed us to go in early. It is vacant and look around. So I just want to kind of get a lay of the house and see what it's like. So
I like it.
got 90 degrees out and sunny, so hot.
It is a gorgeous day, yes.
So should we go in?
We shall. Anything on the outside that you're already seeing that needs to be done, sweetheart?
So it needs a roof.
Yep.
Needs a new deck.
Yes.
Needs some landscaping.
Oh, yes. We've got the right crews for that.
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to do windows on it. Got a lot of beams that are sticking out. They're architecturally pleasing. We're gonna cut those so they aren't rotten.
Okay.
I believe this is a 50s house.
Looks like it.
I haven't even looked.
Looks like a big house, too.
Yeah. I don't think it's as big as you think.
Okay. Well, let's go check it out then.
Let's check it out.
Are you thinking we need to paint the outside as well?
Of course.
Yeah.
That goes without saying.
Wow. Big backyard.
Hello? Hello? Real estate. Make sure nobody's been here. So, like I said, I've never been in this house.
First time in, yeah.
I can tell you it's very 50s.
Whew. It's warm.
It's got original tile, carpet,
Sure does.
wall. Let's take a look.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at this partition wall.
Yeah, it looks like that's something that could easily be taken out, yeah?
Yes. Well, the reason it's here is because somebody built storage.
Oh, well, sure.
That's going to go away. So
Just
fireplace.
open it right up. Look at this. It's
In the kitchen.
beautiful. Wow.
Okay.
You could do it. How so?
Power's
You
on.
picking up something?
No. No power's on. Okay. Pretty cool kitchen. Could be
Yeah.
pretty nice, right?
I can already see a transformation for this place.
Yeah. We do have to do some windows. I don't like doing these. Oh, these are double pane. Good, we'll leave these. These are double pane.
And I don't see a broken seal on
Yeah,
this.
they're double pane. It'd be nice to have an opening one, but right. Replace that one.
Kitchen, I can already see the transformation. It'll be beautiful.
Is that a hallway? Oh boy.
What do we got? We got a bedroom. Wow. Look at this floor.
Yeah, you know what this reminds you of? Hospital.
A little bit, yeah, but you got two closets. This is nice.
Yep.
We've got a little bathroom right there. Now there is a downstairs. I'm curious how we're getting down there.
Oh yeah. So a nice bedroom. You know, these windows are actually standard size. You can find those. You might actually just paint these doors.
Yeah.
I do like how they did the carpet up
Oh,
on the
hey,
edge
look at
here.
that. That's new. I haven't seen that before.
Yeah, that's the last time you're gonna see it too. Bedroom,
Are you saying the boys will be doing some trim in the house? That's funny.
So,
So one,
I see
two,
this-
three bedrooms over there. We got a master.
It's a master.
Wow.
God, these old windows.
Yeah, I do not see stairs down. Are they maybe in that other bathroom in the hall?
So,
It's got a bathroom in the master.
so I have a master bath.
That's the door to the other bathroom. Interesting.
So it has a
Kind of a Jack and Jill.
jacket. I think we'll probably spend some time converting this to an actual master bath and a hall bath. There's
Yeah.
enough room here to turn this around.
Maybe a
see
shower or
this
something
here?
over there.
This is a problem.
Uh-oh.
Toilet. Look at that. To the floor.
Oh, yeah.
That's soft.
Okay. Well, at least
But
they
you know,
covered it up.
You know, it's kind of cool. Let's look at the old knobs.
Wow.
That's good.
Okay.
Let's
This comes this way.
1, 2,
Hey.
3. No, hold on.
4 bedrooms up, babe.
4.
4, yeah. You got the master and 1.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Actually, this is not a bedroom. I take it back. There's no closet.
So it's an office.
This is just an extra room, but
It
still.
could easily be. We can fix that.
Yeah.
We can add a closet. That's
Okay.
easy. I found downstairs.
Yay.
You ready?
I'm ready. Maybe. Uh-oh. It's making the sounds. Woo. Downstairs. Wow, that's green. That's really green.
Green and green.
It's a big house.
We'll go this way first.
Okay.
So we have a furnace from the 1980s, which we'll replace. We have a panel of apartment dress. A washer and dryer, which is vintage, which will probably go. We have just
Oh, what is that room?
this one.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Yeah, this is the bathroom.
What?
Yeah, bathroom there.
What's behind door number
That's the garage.
2?
We'll go there in a sec. Okay.
Oh, sorry. I'm
Yeah.
looking. That's a big bathroom.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, it's very green.
oh, look at the shower.
Ooh,
There's just a lot of air.
ooh, baby.
Big little leak in the plumbing. So we got some plumbing to do, but
Very green.
we'll fix this nice. We'll probably make a living room and office down here. Place some
So we're
windows.
gonna finish the basement.
Oh,
It's got egress already going over here too, babe.
they're not big enough for consider egress. We won't make it a bedroom. We'll just make it a office room.
Okay.
And in the garage,
Comes with car.
we actually inherited a car.
It's a nice car.
Look at that.
I see. Ooh,
Almost.
I got spider webs or something all over me.
Yeah, let's see. Oh my God.
Oh boy, Paul found a toy.
Let's see. The little dash. Oh no. 105,000 miles.
Woo!
Terrible. So we get a car. So that's a nice little thing. Is it worth anything?
Now we got some plumbing here. Does any of this need to be
That would be
replaced?
no, I'm thinking that's for the sprinkler.
Okay.
Let's see the year it says. You guess it? 90s?
What? The car?
97.
Okay.
And it could be 98, 97.
Well, today's adventure, will it run? Car got it to run. Just a new battery, and it's ready to go. Might need a few more things, like, some air in the tires, a bath. Woohoo! A full tank of gas.
Okay, so it's got a garage.
Okay.
It's got a nice big room down here. Has a door going out.
Wow.
We'll probably make this like into an office space or something. I'm not sure yet.
It could be another living space too, babe.
Well, that's what it will be, a living space.
Yeah. Ooh,
But
something all over me.
look at that.
Ooh,
Poured in the
old
concrete.
stove.
I don't know. I think they must have that for us stove later. Not in bad shape though.
No,
Is it?
uh-uh.
So I mean, this is a pretty decent rehab for us, and then as far as there's quite a bit of stuff to do. It needs a furnace,
All the houses need furnaces.
and let's say it's got a plumbing leak back here. Yeah, I had one. See the rot back there.
Mm.
So it needs some. Oh yeah, it's got a mixture of. Actually, it's mostly copper plumbing.
Is that a good thing?
That's a really good thing, actually. That's how it be galvanized. This house must have plumbed this right. Oh, wow. Look at this bad boy. Cold spot.
That's an old fridge. Wow, look at this.
That's a cold spot. Super
Wow.
mart. Yeah, isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm.
This isn't bad.
I know, you got some great space up here.
So we'll cut all this out.
Yeah.
Replace the deck, which unfortunately costs a lot of money because decks are expensive. But, ooh. You can see it, it's actually a view. A view of the valley view there.
Oh, wow. And what are these? What are these, like walnuts?
I think so.
Wow.
Oh, the wasp there, the pissed.
Uh-huh.
See out there?
I do.
They're looking at me, I'm looking at them.
Okay, and this backyard is great space. You just really can't access it from the street, but that's okay. Very private.
It's alright. You probably go on this side of the house. Oh yeah, over here. So what I already see is stuff like this. So we're gonna keep this. This is a mid-century house. This is from the 50s. Look how cool this will be. New windows. Accent this color to leave these panels.
Yeah.
People want to tear it out, but this is cool.
You don't see them on houses very
No,
often.
I couldn't find that if I had to. Right?
This was fun. I'm glad we got a chance to do a first walkthrough with our YouTube warriors. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you're able to be notified when we have some new content that comes out. So thank you.
We got 2 hours to get home, so.
Hey,
Oh,
well,
Lord,
the
too.
other home, right? All right, with that, we'll see you back out in the field. We'll see ya. Bye. Will we see them back out in the field there?
Absolutely. See you in the field. I'll have you just close the door and you're way out.
All right.
I like this. I think it's been here since 2015, so.
Will it run?
Yeah. Oh, move this thing out of their way at least.
Gotta keep your hands clean.
Yeah.
my God, it's dirty in there. Okay,
About 5 years here?
will it run?
Dude, it's got a problem.
Will it run? Oh, it runs! Doesn't sound good, but it runs.
Try it out. Wow, look at that, 5 years. I think it runs pretty good. I didn't check the oil. Oh yeah, it's got oil. Look at that. She runs.
Perfect.
You got that on video.
Yeah. Will it run? Will it run? It runs! Woo! 5 years it's been sitting here?
I don't know. I was retired. My license expired when I was 16.
Oh wow. That's a few years.